All right, so I got this phone desk mount for 25 Ghana cedis. Of course, if you're in Ghana, you know how to bargain. It was 50 Ghana cedis, but I got it for 25 Ghana cedis. It comes in very handy. It's made of plastic and ABS material. It has this grip on the base. The ABS material makes it feel very durable and quite heavy. You can adjust it to any point. And let's put the phone on to see how this holds up. It holds up very, very, very well. Holds up the phone very firmly, and trying to adjust it at the various angles to see how this holds up. It does really, really, really well, and I think I love it. Now it's 360, and so you can adjust it or rotate it to any angle that you want. And if should fix perfectly. It comes in very handy and can help you organize your desk and also help you to access your phone very, very, very easily.